cover letter isn't just your resume in paragraph form. It's your chance to answer one simple but powerful question: why this role and why you? Cover letters help hiring managers understand motivation, communication skills, and fit, especially when they're reviewing a large number of candidates who may look similar on paper. They add context to your experience, connect your resume to the role, and give employers a much clearer sense of who you are, and not just what you've done. Here's a structure that works and keeps you out of ramble territory. Mention the role, mention the company, and give one clear reason you're excited. Not, I'm writing to apply. Instead, I'm excited about this role because... Pull 1 or 2 experiences from your resume and explain the impact. Hiring managers recommend focusing on results, not just responsibilities. Led onboarding improvements, reduced RAM time by 20%. Lastly, wrap it up with confidence. Thank them, reaffirm interest, and invite the conversation forward. I'd love to discuss how I can contribute. Before you write a single sentence, do this. Read the job description closely. Highlight keywords and skills. Research the company's mission or recent news. Check your online presence. Look at how the company describes success in the role. Scan the team's professional networking profiles for language clues. Hiring managers can tell in seconds when a cover letter is generic. Tailoring your cover letter can significantly improve response rates. The strongest ones show alignment, and they make it obvious why this role makes sense for this candidate.
Can you tell me if you've ever written a cover letter, and what would you do to stand out?
Including as much of my own personality into it as possible.
The experience of the person and how they feel.
Their growth trajectory and what their goals are.
But also make it engaging and fun to read if they're sifting through a gazillion a day.
I couldn't have said it better myself.
Quick lightning round. Avoid these. Too long. Keep it under 1 page. Repeating your resume word for word. Being overly formal or robotic, like opening with "to whom it may concern." Forgetting to customize the company name. Unprofessional opening or greeting. Find the name of the hiring manager, if possible, or use "Dear Hiring Manager." You're probably thinking the same thing I do when it comes to cover letters. Is it okay to use AI? The answer is yes, but using AI to put together a draft is absolutely okay. But be sure to double check for errors and add your own voice throughout. After all, the company is looking to hire you, not a chatbot. Generally, cover letters are most crucial when you're changing roles, transitioning careers, applying to a smaller team, or when your resume doesn't tell the full story. If a cover letter is optional, write one anyway. When it comes to optional, think of it less as, I don't have to, and more as, this could really help me stand out. Hiring managers see thousands of applications, and even if they wish they could hire everyone, ultimately, they have to make a choice. And things like a personalized, tailored cover letter genuinely become significant factors in deciding who gets the job. A great cover letter doesn't have to be perfect, just thoughtful. Your resume lists what you've done. Your cover letter explains why it matters. Use it to tell a story your resume can't. For more job search advice, templates, and examples, subscribe right here.